Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over another trade line that you could get, especially if you're a new business owner, you just started building up your business credit. Maybe you don't have a website already. This is a perfect situation where not only will it get you the website that you need, because pretty much all the no PG underwriters will check if you have a website, and if it's not a professional looking website, it doesn't matter if you have good personal credit, good business credit, you could still get denied during the KYC, KYB process. So this is the CEO Creative. They're very affordable, and in fact we even had the discount codes you can actually use as well. That's going to save you some money. But they offer literally t-shirts and hoodies, Google marketing. They have SEO packages, website packages, and they're very affordable. And the best part of it is it's reporting to business credit bureaus, Equifax and Creditsafe. You can see here, a one-page website is only $20 per month for 12 months. If you want a 5-page website, it's $30 a month. They build that custom website for you and they send it as an invoice. You pay the invoice on time, it's being reported to the business credit bureaus. If you want to sell online, like have an e-commerce site, it's only $99. This is what I would definitely recommend for anybody. Even if you already have a website, it might not be so professional looking if you got one of those templates or try to do it yourself. Let professionals do it. They have several nice website examples of their customers, logistics companies, and all different types of companies that they've done website designs for. So you definitely want to have a website, because I can guarantee you that 95% of all the no PG fintech underwriters, they're going to want to see that you have a professional website. If you don't have one, that just shows that you're potentially high risk. The link will be in the description below. Use our link because it's going to get you a discount. But if you already have a website, that's fine. They offer, like I said, all kinds of different customized products. So definitely worth checking out, and they report to the bureaus. That's going to get you a good account mix of trade lines. You don't want to just have like one or two trade lines. You want to have a wide variety of different types of trade lines. They also offer, like, they have business cards, but they have all kinds of different products. So it would be definitely worth signing up for, and you have net 30 terms, and it is being reported, especially if you're trying to get, say, no PG business auto loans. They're reporting to Creditsafe and Equifax. Those are the bureaus that are looked at by a lot of the, such as like Ally, Ford Motor Credit, etc., Nissan, Toyota. So definitely sign up for the CEO Creative. The link will be in the description below, okay? If you guys have any questions still, just text me 937-423-9954, especially if you're interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship. We can do a free phone consultation to see if you'd be a good fit or not. And then I can actually walk you through step by step what you need to do on a weekly basis to qualify and get approved for as much business credit as you want. Like you can see here, I have stacks of business credit cards. Some of it is personally guaranteed, but a lot of it is no PG. So anyways, just check out the link below. Please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.